there's literally a flower. Wait, I need to find it again. Oh man.
Are the goodies?
Snow and the goodies.
We're
YouTubers.
She's really feeling that.
Welcome to my MTV crib.
Behind the scenes. This isn't snow anymore. This is like rain. Rainy snow.
This is Snow Angel.
Snow Angel!
You're Snow Angel! Get your ass over here now.
Eileen!
Get close to the car, Eileen. Get over here.
Look at this. This is fresh snow. It's cold!
People in the back.
Hey!
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
Oh God. I'm running. Eileen, I'm gonna run.
Right now?
I thought you were educated. You know how water works? You know how ice works? And guess what? When your hot body is in the snow, it's gonna melt all over.
I don't think about a lot of stuff.
We are at a park because we want to make snow angels. So this is the park. That's the baseball field. And it's actively snowing right now. Very, very hard. But we're gonna make some snow angels. You ready to make some snow angels?
No, but I'm ready to see Eileen.
The roads are slick. We want to go to a basketball game, but I don't know if we will make it, to be honest. Tabi tabi po. Becca, yellow snow, dog pee pee.
Eileen, don't do snow.
Avoid yellow snow.
Oh, I want to hit her with a snowball.
Ooh. Yes.
Whoa. Okay. What? So, what I want to do is I'm gonna go stand in the middle over there. I'm gonna twirl. You're gonna take a video of me and send it to me, so then I can be like, I love the snow. And that's about it.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Okay, she's done. Going back to the car. Okay, fall back. Here. I'm gonna hit my tush. My little angel. They're like us. You're like crazy. Extra magic.